Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Sid Tech, and I have the Jio Phone 2 with me. So this is the package in which the Desh ka smartphone comes. It is available at a price of Rs 2999 via the Jio.com. I also had to pay Rs 95 as delivery charges. So you might have to pay delivery charges too depending upon your PIN code. So this is the actual retail packaging of the Jio Phone 2, and as you can see the price quoted here is Rs 2999. And here we have all the information regarding the smartphone, like it comes with the Jio Pay, 2 megapixel camera and 2000 mAh battery and more. So opening up the box, we have the Jio Phone 2 itself, and as you can see it looks just like the old BlackBerry smartphones, and surprisingly the build quality also feels good. Other than this, we have the standard Life branded micro USB charging brick and the usual paperwork. Let me first install the 2000 mAh battery, and as you can see you can pop in 2 SIM cards and a micro SD card up to 128 GB. There is also a SIM pre-installed, but you will have to activate it by visiting your nearest telecom store. The phone can be connected to Wi-Fi and it comes with Google Assistant built in. You can also choose between Hindi and English language for the Google Assistant. I played around with Google Assistant on this phone for some time and it worked really well. It comes with all the Jio apps pre-installed along with popular apps like Facebook. WhatsApp is also expected, but I was not able to find it. Hopefully WhatsApp will come before my review of the Jio Phone 2 comes out. There's also a 2 megapixel rear facing camera which, as expected, is not that great, and there is also a front facing camera. The QWERTY keypad looks well built and it will take some time for you to get used to it. Initial impressions, the device looks good. Comes with some great features for a feature phone, but not that great features for a smartphone. You can buy an entry-level smartphone by spending Rs 1000 more and get a good smartphone for Rs 4000. Currently, I think it is good for people who already own a smartphone and need a good backup or secondary phone. I hope I can add another category of people who can buy it when my review comes out. So this is it guys from this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, make sure to hit the like button, share the video with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. This is Siddhant signing off. Keep smiling.